In this video, I'll show you how to create a trending 3D Instagram post in Canva step by step. This style is very popular on Instagram right now, and the best part is that it's super simple to create. So let's get started. All right, first, open Canva and click on the plus icon to create a new design. In the search bar, type Instagram, and you'll see different Instagram sizes appear. You can choose any size you prefer to work with. For this tutorial, I'll select this one. Now, the next thing we need is a screenshot from Instagram. So go to Instagram and take a screenshot of the middle section of the feed. Just like this. After that, go to your profile, open any post, and take another screenshot of the profile logo and the username area, like this. Once you have both screenshots ready, go back to Canva and upload them. Start by placing the middle screenshot in the center of the canvas and adjust its size so it fits nicely. After that, add the profile screenshot on top. Go to Position, bring it to the front, and place it properly so it looks like a real Instagram post. When everything looks good, select both screenshots and group them together so they move as one element. Now it's time to add the images that will create the 3D effect. I'll go to the Elements and choose an image for the top area, but you can also upload and use your own photos. Once you pick an image, increase its size so it fills the top part of the post. Then crop the bottom part of the image so it only covers the upper section. Next, duplicate the image and place the duplicate exactly above the original one. Now remove the background from the top image. Once the background is removed, reveal the bottom part of the image so it appears like the subject is coming out of the frame, which creates a very cool 3D effect. Now let's do the same thing for the bottom image. Add another image, increase its size so it fits the bottom section of the post, crop the top area so it stays within the lower part. Then duplicate the image, remove the background from the duplicate, and reveal the top part slightly so it overlaps the frame. This creates another nice pop-out effect. And that's it for the two-image style. You can also create the same effect using just a single image, and I'll quickly show you how. First, duplicate the design and remove the images we just added. Now insert a single photo. I'll use one of my recently used images for this example. Increase its size so it fills the canvas. Then right-click on it and send it to the back. Crop the extra areas and adjust the size and position so it fits perfectly inside. Once that's done, simply duplicate the image and remove the background. This will again create that 3D pop-out look, but this time using only one image. And that's how you can create a trending 3D Instagram post in Canva in just a few minutes. As you can see, the process is very simple, and you can experiment with different photos to create unique designs for your feed. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Canva tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.